Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted files from pen drive. Okay, if we go in this PC, you can see my pen drive USB drive E. If we go inside it, in DCIM, here I have 4 photos available, and if we see the size of these photos, you can see 8.21 MB. Okay, now I'm gonna delete these 4 photos. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these 4 items? Click on yes. So as you can see, it is permanently deleted, also not available in the cycle bin. Now after it, I have a software Wondershare recover it. I have provided you the link in description area below. Just go there and download and install it. And guys, I would like to inform you that this is not a free software. Okay, now open it. So here now, after it, you can see hard disk drives, external drives, and quick access. If we go in quick access, here select folder, and if we go in local disk key, here you can see DCIM. Select DCIM and click on OK. Here you can see scanning start. So you can see files found for 8.21 MB. Now I can stop the scanning because the files are successfully found. Here you can see. Now stop scanning. As you can see, scan completed. 4 files have been found. Click on OK. Now here select all files and click on recover. Now select the local disk and here make new folder and recover. It is recovering files, please wait. So here you can see DCIM, and here's the 4 files which I have been deleted, as you can see. So guys, this is the method to recover deleted files from pen drive easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.